Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7 Color Series Narrowband Air Fuel Ratio Gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog air fuel ratio gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a power harness with 2-foot power wires and a 6-foot sensor wire, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.